Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to day 17 of the Artful Advent. Today it's all about the glitter bird. Now I decorate all my trees with some kind of bird, and so I had to include one in this Advent. Let's get started. Before we get started painting our bird, I want to add a little wing. With my marker. And then on this little clip, it's one of those clips that open like an alligator clip. Just a line down the middle. I'm going to heat set that real fast with my craft tool. I want this bird to have the same coloration as my polar bear. So I want it very light. So that was a mix of French gray and buff titanium, but I'm also going to put a little pink in there. So I think for the bird, what I'm going to do is make a little pink belly on it. And we'll do that while it's wet. This is the French gray. This is the buff titanium. And then that's the pink. So you just need a light gray, a more yellow gray, and then a pink. If you don't have pink, use your red and really water it down. I'm going to wet my bird, just dampen it a little bit in the middle here. No standing puddles. I'm going to go into my French gray first. Want it lighter to the top of his head. Then I'm going to go into my buff titanium. I was holding my breath there. Sorry about that. Gonna splash. Now I'm gonna go into my pink with the paint on his belly here. Just gonna kind of drop it in. I'm gonna take a little bit of the buff titanium and just drop it on the wing. The more we can drop in hints of darkness, the more glittery this bird's going to feel. While it's still wet, I'm going to drop a little bit more pink right here in the front. Like right on his chest and his belly. Real close to the edge. I've dried him, and I'm going to take a little bit of gray, and I'm going to do the little alligator clip down here. I'm going to touch a little bit of sepia and do the bottom of the alligator clip in his eye. With my Posca pen, I want to add dots all over him. The more dots you have, the more glitter he looks like he has. You want to make sure that you're busting the lines. So bust the lines out here, bust the wing lines. See how it just takes away the harshness of the lines. So I'm going to do just a little bit, and then I will show you at the end what he looks like. All my dots are on, and what I want to do now is just take a little bit of buff titanium and a little bit of sepia. All I'm going to do is touch a little bit of darkness now. basically dirtying them up a little bit. And there's our glitter bird. Thank you for joining me in Sparkling Bright today. Thanks for watching.